Okay, try natin yung horse meat. Umalis na lang kami mga kalalabs, hindi kami pinapansin. Matapang ka girl. Ngayon. So, overall, our experience here in Kazakhstan, Almaty is Magandang gabi mga kalalabs. Welcome to Almaty. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-start mag-vlog kasi ang haba ng biyahe namin ni Papa Dib kanina. Gumising kami ng around 5, tapos pumunta kami ng Urumqi Airport ng 5:30. Siyempre waiting time yon. So, ilang oras din kami naghintay sa airport. And yung biyahe dito is more than like 4 hours, something like that. 2 hours flight. And then, yung papunta dito sa mismong city sa Almaty is longer travel siya. So, kaninang umaga pala, dumating kami ng around, I think, 9 or 10 dito sa, sa hotel namin. Hindi kami makapag-check-in kasi yung check-in time nila is 3 p.m. Buti na lang, pinag-check-in kami ng 1 p.m. So, kasi sobrang pagod ko, naiyak-iyak na ako dahil nga, grabe yung biyahe namin. Tsaka alam niyo naman yan, like go kami. So, sa Almaty, mag-stay kami dito ng 4 nights and 3 days. So, ito yung break time namin ng pagta-travel. So, it's a relaxing city. Walang masyadong ganap dito. Feels like Vancouver, pero older city siya. Kasi sa Vancouver, newer city, diba? Tapos, ang maraming building. Pero dito is oldest city. Feels like Vancouver actually kasi yung park, yung weather, tapos merong mga mountains dito na hindi namin pupuntahan ni Papa Dib kasi parang feeling namin, what do we feel? We feel like yung some mountain is worth it, some mountain is not. So parang sabi namin, mag-stay na lang kami dito sa mismong city and we can just like experience the good restaurant dito sa city. Kanina pa lang umaga, like while waiting for the check-in, we went to the cathedral, yung nila dito, famous church nila na dapat pagpunta kayo ng Almaty, you come here. So punta kami doon, naglakad-lakad kami sa park, and then nag-ikot-ikot doon. We love that church, it's really beautiful inside. So pumasok din kami. Pagpapasok kayo doon sa church, meron silang doon, pwede nyo gamitin na pang-cover ng head kasi you need to cover your head to walk around the church. New building and an old building. This one feels new and this one looks old. Ito yung pinuntahan naming park kanina mga kalalabs. Dito kayo dadaan papunta dun sa katedral o yung simbahan. Diba? Parang Vancouver. Ito yung katedral mga kalalabs. Oh. Sa umaga, open yung church. Pwede kayong pumasok. Pero I think mga around ganitong time is, close na. Kaya pag pumunta kayo dito, you must go inside. Kasi maganda sa loob. Biruin nyo, itong katedral na to, itong simbahan na to, ito sa nakaligtas sa lindol before. O diba? Tapos sabi nila, gawa daw to sa kahoy. Some of it is kahoy yata. Hindi ko lang alam kung lahat, pero I think half siguro kahoy and then semento. Nandito na kami sa restaurant mga kalalabs. Ang colorful naman ng nila dito, decoration nila. From the walls, from the sofa, it's very colorful. Yung mga nila dito, nagtatrabaho, naka-wear ng siguro traditional dress nila yan dito sa Kazakh. It's really nice. Tignan nyo yung nila sa wall. It's really nice and beautiful. Yum. Nandito na yung aking rice with mixed vegetables and beef. So, try natin siya. Para siyang amoy pagkain sa Pilipinas. Anong pagkain yun? Caldereta? It smells like caldereta, right? Kain po. Tastes good. Namiss ko to, ganitong pagkain. That is good. So, ito yung itsura ng horse. Try natin siya. Parang pakiramdam ko lasang lamb to. Just a small piece. Try natin siya ha. Hindi ko ipapromise na kakainin ko siya, pero I'll try. I mean, you know. Try natin ng horse meat. What is the taste? It smells horse. Hindi, joke lang. It smell siya, meaty. Okay, try. Salty. Is that a horse? Or beef?
It's a horse.
Tastes like beef. This one, what I got.
I tried the sausage, it was kind of gamey. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna try
okay.
This one.
This one tastes like beef.
Definitely horse.
Salty and tastes like beef. A little bit powerful but not bad. Okay.
Very lean.
Not my favorite, but not my favorite, so we need to add it with the tomato so it will wash it. Okay. Not bad. Okay. Enjoy lang namin tong dinner namin. We will wait for the other. Did we order more? Oh, I thought you ordered look like an empanada.
I said not to.
Oh, I see. Okay. Akala ko nag-order siya ng mukhang empanada, pero hindi pala. So, anyway, marami naman na itong order namin. So, ayan, enjoy na lang namin to mga kalabs. Kain po. Perfect yung dinner natin mga kalalabs. Para tayong kumain ng Filipino food. Except dun sa horse meat. Yung sabaw niya lasang nilagang baka. Pero meron siyang konting a little bit powerful na taste. Hindi kagaya ng lamb. Kasi yung lamb, hindi ko talaga siya makain. Pero yung horse meat, okay naman siya. So, perfect. Pati yung rice ko na may beef, sobrang na-enjoy ko siya. And then, yung tea na may mint. And then, ano pa ba yung in-order namin? Yung burrata na may tomatoes. It's really good. So, alam ko marami tayong mga kababayan na pupunta rin dito sa Kazakhstan, Almaty. So, if ever na kayo nagawi sa aking channel, check out Nabat. And mura lang siya mga kalalabs kasi less than $50 lang yung binayaran namin. Mura actually yung pagkain nila dito sa restaurant. Especially sa mga ganitong parang fancy na restaurant na. Sobrang ganda nitong restaurant na to. Service is good as well kasi okay naman sila sa English. May mga restaurant dito na yung iba hindi marunong mag-English, pero itong restaurant na to, good naman siya. So, ayun. And then, by the way pala, on top doon sa total ng inyong bills, meron silang 10% na ilalagay. Bali, yata yung tip, yung 10%. So, ayun. Overall, it's good. Morning, mga kalalabs. Kape-kape tayo. Edit pag may time. Maaga pa po. It's already 6:51. Magsi-7 na pala. Ang ganda ng tulog ko. Nakapagpahinga ako ng bongga. Natulog ako siguro mga around almost 10 p.m. Nakabalik kami dito sa bahay mga around 9, something like that, after kami nag-dinner. Kasi dapat mag-iindex kami pabalik dito sa hotel. Pero sabi ko, maglakad na lang tayo. Kasi napadami yung kain namin. And hindi naman ganun kalayo. Mga 30 minutes, something like that. So, okay lang. So, today, ang agenda natin for our second day here in Almaty, we are going to check out Green Bazaar. Tapos, pupunta tayo sa Chocolate Factory. So, plano kong matikman at bumili nun. Kahit isa lang para kay Nicole. Kasi, sabi nila masarap daw yung chocolate dito. So, let's see. So, yun yung mga kaganapan. Kape tayo and edit ng vlog para may mapanood kayo ulit. nandito na kami mga kalalabs. Papasok na lang tayo. Wow! Kita nyo ba yan mga kalalabs? Bibili din tayo ng apple dito kasi dito na-discover ang apple. Hindi na-discover, dito nanggaling ang apple. That's why they call it Almaty. Kaya titikman natin yung apple dito kung mas masarap ba siya kaysa sa Canada or sa Pinas. Ang dami. So, doon is yung mga karne. Dito naman yung mga fruits, cheese down there, and then dried fruits down there. So, mamaya bababa tayo dyan after ng kape. So, ito yung order natin na bread at saka cheese cookie yata. Ito, hindi ko lang alam. But, try natin. Ano siya? Lasang citrusy. Parang may pagka siya. Merong orange flavor. It's good. Nakakatuwa naman mga kalalabs. Yung nakikita mo lang sa vlog before, nakikita mo na in person. It's really cool. I like it. Halata ba na gusto-gusto ko ang market? Tapos na tayo nagkape mga kalalabs. Explore na lang natin tong market. Pero I think, magbibigay sila ng mga sample, tapos you will feel bad kasi hindi ka makakabili dahil wala kang cash. Wala kaming cash. Kaloka, paano na yarn? Okay, ikot-ikot lang tayo dito. What is this one? Candies? Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, mga kalalabs. Walnut na may candy sa outside. Oh, looks so fresh. Sobrang organized talaga dito, mga kalalabs. Oh, so dito, horse meat siya. And then sa kabila is lamb. And then sa kabila, baka. And then doon sa kabila, pork. Doon sa area doon. Ang galing, sobrang organized. Ito naman yung nila, mga horse, salami, mga ganon. Hindi ko alam kung anong tawag, pero mga sila. Salami. Oh, we wanted to try. You wanted to try? Okay, you can try. Is that the horse meat? Horse salami? Okay. It's really good? Ah.
Last night.
Can I try? Okay, try natin yung horse meat.
We got a sample pack.
Not bad. How much do you think is it? That's big. Sample pack.
Look at that. Like bacon.
Oh, meron silang look like a bacon.
Yeah, like bacon?
Not bad. It's sour. There's a sour taste to it. That's
Cured
not bad
fish?
at all.
Cured fish?
Wow, that is daing.
Oh, so you like the pork?
It's not
I
bad.
took the extra bite because I thought you were...
What pork? It's not a pork, it's
No, the whole
horse. It's not bad. Surprisingly, it's not bad. Salmon.
This is cured, I think, right?
Yeah, that's daing.
I hope so, anyway.
Daing na salmon. So, ang dami kayong pwedeng tikman dito kasi may free taste sila. You can try, they will give it to you. Ayan, pero nakakahiya kasing tumikim pag wala kang pambili. May pambili kami pero wala kaming cash. Nakakaloka. Let's go to the cheese area. Punta tayo sa may cheese. Macadamia, walnuts, ano to? Cherry? Ah, looks good. Tapos meron din silang mga tea dito, parang sa China. Nakabili kami ng cashew nuts at saka mango, dried mango. Kainin natin, try natin. That's good. Look at those cheese.
Beautiful cheeses.
Cheese, ang dami. Yan nyo, Meron silang, sariling version ng kimchi, Wow. Looks good. What is this? Carrots. Tapos na tayo dito sa, sa market. Nagtitake pala sila ng card. Sorry mga kalalabs, no? Akala ko kasi hindi sila nagtitake. Depende siguro kung saang shop kayo bibili. Pero kay kuya, yung pinagbilhan namin ng, cashew nuts at saka dried mango, nagtake sila ng card. So, binayaran ko is 3,100 yung nila, currency nila. Bali, pala mga kalalabs, 100 grams yung minimum na pwede nyong bilhin doon. So, Yeah, try nyo pag pumunta kayo dito sa Almaty. Ang dami nyong pwedeng bilhin na nuts pampasalubong. Next stop naman natin mga kalalas, dito sa Chocolad. Check natin yung chocolate nila kung masarap ba. Malapit lang to sa market sa may gilid lang. Yes, that's the one, Chocolad. Chocolad. Okay, oh, smells good. Oh. This one we have it in Canada. This one I don't know.
That's the famous one.
Oh, this is the one. Ito pala yan, oh. Pwede nyo makita to sa regular grocery store sa sa Almaty. Meron din silang iba't ibang mga chocolate dito or candies mga kalabs. Ayan siya. Pero yung pinuntan lang namin dito is yung yung famous chocolate nila dito sa Kazakhstan. Umalis na lang kami mga kalalabs, hindi kami pinapansin. Pwede naman namin bilhin yung chocolate sa grocery store. And this is the factory. Kumakain ng lunch yung mga factory worker. Ang laki ng factory na to, oh. Ang chocolate. Wow, cool. At least we experience it.
That's true.
But as what I said, you can buy that chocolate bar sa regular grocery store. But then, meron silang mga maliliit na chocolate na per kilograms or pounds or something like that na pwede nyong bilhin. But, yeah, hindi na lang namin binili. Sa grocery store na lang. Hindi kami pinapansin. Siguro sa language barrier din. Nadaanan na naman namin tong park na to. Sobrang linis, no, mga kalalabs. Kita niyo yan? So clean. Lagi namin itong madadaanan kasi lagi kaming pupunta sa yung sa restaurant, 'di ba? Pag mayroon kami nakitang restaurant, lalakarin namin. Ito yung way. madadaanan mo siya. So wala kaming proper breakfast. Ang next na natin pupuntahan natin ay yung nakita naming isang restaurant. So kain tayo ng breakfast and then after this we are going back to our hotel. Breakfast time mga kalala. So, ito yung kay Papa Dave. And ito yung akin, English breakfast. And maganda tong restaurant na to. It's called Fika. Kain. Let's try the sausage. It's good. Meron siyang hash brown din pala. Hash brown. Yum. Balik na kami sa hotel, mga kalalabs, at nadaanan namin tong different park. Coffee shop yan or restaurant. So, marami silang dito. Places na pwede nyong pagtambayan, ganun. Tapos, mahilig sila sa mga fountain na ganyan, oh. Kahit saang park, meron silang fountain. It is really clean here. Ganda dito, mga kalalas. What a relaxing place. Ang ganda ng view, mga kalalabs. Oh my gosh. Pwede tayong umakyat papunta doon sa taas using the gondola. Iniisip namin ni Papa, di baka gawin namin siya bukas kasi wala na kaming gagawin. Pero pinag-iisipan muna namin. Tingnan nyo naman yung pa-view. So this is the restaurant, mga kalalabs. Diyan tayo kakain. May reservation tayo ng around 5. Still early. Malayo nga lang siya from the Almaty City, like maybe around 40 minutes, something like that. And meron din pala silang mga villa dito, oh. You can stay here. Ayan yung mga villa nila. Parang umaambon. Wow, it's a beautiful, beautiful restaurant. Sana masarap yung pagkain. Pero sabi nila masarap yung pagkain dito. Hindi ko nadala yung jacket ko. Nakalimutan ko. Sabi ni Papa Dave, you should bring your jacket kasi we are going to the mountain. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful place. Ganda. Imagine, sa winter time, mas magical to pag winter time kasi you can see a lot of snow. And kasi ngayon, di ba, pa-summer siya. Or summer na actually. Pero malamig dito sa mountain, pero sa baba, mainit. And meron silang ano dito. Oh. I think pag dito kayo nag-stay sa villa nila, makikita nyo may ilaw dyan. Pero ngayon wala kasi. Bawal tayong bumaba doon. Oh. Pwede sana tayong bumaba para mag-picture-picture. Kaso nga lang. Wala eh. Nakasara siya eh. Matapang ka girl. Ngayon, nanginginig ako sa lamig. Nakakainis. Kalimutan ko yung jacket ko. Naka-sleeveless pa naman din ako. Oh my, lamig. Ayan, tumitindig na ang aking mga hair lalo. Pasok na tayo mga kalalabs. Wow. Looks amazing here. Yun na yung kitchen nila, oh. Wow. Okay, nandun na si Papa din sa table. Ina-expect namin na doon kami sa may sa floor. Uupo, pero anyway, this is really beautiful. Right? Okay, let's try this donut. This is their traditional donut. Meron siyang cream dito sa side. So, i-try natin siya. Actually, this one is a complimentary. So, you can order more if you want. But this one is a complimentary. So, pag nagustuhan nyo siya din, mag-order kayo. Anyway. Oh, cool. Thank you.
Can I service for you?
Yep, sure. Thank you.
Can I photo?
Try natin.
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, it's good. Ang sarap nito. Tapos i-dip mo pa siya sa sa cream. That's good.
Thank you.
Thank you. It's good. This is our samosa. To order. And salad. Love. This is addictive. It's really good. Wow. I like that. Nandito na yung aming main course, mga kalalag. So we have sweet potatoes, we have horse meat, we have dumplings, and then flatbread. Yung cocktail ni Papa Dave, mukha siyang quail egg. But they said it's a white chocolate. Okay, let's try this.
Wish I didn't get the wine.
Huh? You don't like your wine? Let's try the cocktail.
I do, but I like the cocktail.
Oh, that tastes good. It tastes good.
It's cool,
Really
isn't
good,
it?
yeah. I like it.
And Nicole loves white chocolate eggs. Let's bring that home for her.
That's
You can have
good.
one if you want.
No. Okay, let's try the horse meat. Nabanggit ko ba sa inyo, ang horse meat dito is the traditional meat here in Kazakhstan. So they have every restaurant, they always serve horse meat. So try ko lang siya. I don't know if I will like it, pero let's try, syempre. Para naman, 'di ba? Alam natin kung anong lasa niya. So let's eat. Kain po. Tastes like kebab. Actually, it's not
Really?
bad. It is good.
So horse is better than lamb.
Yeah, horse is better than lamb. I never liked lamb. Pero yung horse, I can eat the horse. It's good. What is this dumpling, la? What is this one? What kind of dumpling?
Beef.
Beef? Okay, let's try the dumpling. Kain. Kaya hinog niya. Surprisingly good. Wow. I like the horse kebab. It's really good. Yum. Anyway, enjoy na lang namin yung dinner namin, mga kalalabs. We'll finish our dinner. And I love the food. It's really good. Tapos na kaming kumain ng dinner, mga kalalabs. Oh my God. Sobrang sarap ng mga pagkain na in-order namin. Nabusog kami. Love, how's everything? Do you like it?
Go sit on a swing and then I'll take a picture.
How's the dinner first? Tell them the review.
That was the most beautiful dinner I've ever had in my life.
Yeah, it's the best. And then, look at this view, mga kalalabs.
Do you know what she did to me?
What?
She ordered the bone marrow and then didn't eat any.
I
She
eat.
just
I eat some.
she doesn't like horse bones.
No. I eat some. Come on, babe. Oh my gosh, look at this view, mga kalalabs. Sobrang ganda. Oh my gosh, if you are nature lover, come to Almaty. Marami kayong may explore dito. Even though hindi naman kami mag-explore sa mga bundok, at least na-experience natin siya, oh. Wow, that's beautiful. It's really nice here. Hotel na kami, mga kalalabs. Sobrang layo pala ng Ayul Restaurant, pero worth it naman siya. Kasi as you can see sa view, sa pagkain, restaurant ambience, it's really beautiful. It's a good experience. And happy kami ni Papa Dave kasi we got to see the mountain. Kasi wala talaga kaming planong pumunta sa mga sa mga tourist spot na laging pinupuntahan ng mga nagtutour dito is mountain and then the lake. Hindi kami pupunta. So, we are happy that yung restaurant is, alam mo yun, like, view pa lang, happy ka na. I love the view. It's beautiful. Di ba, love? It's beautiful. Sobrang ganda. Especially kung nature lover ka. Like, ma-appreciate mo yung yung ganun kaganda na view. Like, imagine mo after mong kumain, bago ka kumain, nakakita ka, parang nabusog ka na sa view pa lang, diba? So, anyway, if you will ask kung magkano yung, yung binayad namin dun sa kinain namin sa restaurant, we paid around less than 160 Canadian dollars. So, siguro mga nasa less than 7,000 pesos, kung tama yung, yung calculation ko ng exchange rate, something like that. So, it's a lot of food. We're so full. Oh my God. Pero, mga kalalabs, no, worth it siya. Like, hindi ko in-expect na I will love the horse meat. It's really good. Alam niyo ba, nag-order kami noon, di ba? Nag-order kami ng ganong karaming pagkain and then end of the, like parang pa-end na yung namin, meal namin. Naubos namin lahat. And then nag-decide kami, nag-order pa kami ng nung pangalan nun, yung bone marrow. It was really good. But then you need to, pala mga kalabs, no? I'm just gonna tell you our experience there. So, first, if you will order, yung donut na maliliit, na may cream na dipping sauce, you don't need to order kasi meron silang pa-complementary. So, libre yung first na donut. And hindi yun sasabihin sa inyo. They will not gonna tell you there's a free na donut. So, they will not gonna tell you that. So, pag pumunta kayo doon, huwag kayong order nun kasi they have complimentary donut. And next is yung sa naman, what do you call this? Yung bone marrow, kung mag-order kayo nun, sabi nung server sa amin, you should order 1 feta bread or flat bread kasi yung bone marrow is super rich. Sabi niya. So we thought the bone marrow doesn't comes with the feta bread. It comes with the feta bread. So, nag-order kami ng feta bread. Hindi rin namin nakain yung feta bread because we're so full na doon sa, doon sa kasama ng bone marrow na feta bread. So, you need to be careful with those things. You will need to ask question kung anong kasama nito, anong kasama niyan. So that, you will save, save money. Kasi, ayaw mo naman na madoble-doble siya. In the end of the day, you will not gonna eat it all kasi you're so full na. So, yung mga ano nila doon, portion nila is ano siya, mini portion. So, just order stuff that you can finish. Like kami, nag-order kaming salad, nag-order kami ng samosa, tapos ano pa yung in-order namin? Horse meat kebab, and then salad. Ano pa ba in-order namin? We have sweet potato side dish. And then, what else did we order, love? Oh no, the dumplings. So it's a lot of food. Mini siya pero for us it's all good. All yung pagkain na yun. On top of that kasi meron silang mga pa free. So, yeah. Anyway, na-share ko lang sa inyo yung experience natin doon sa Ayol Restaurant. So again, it's a beautiful restaurant. You must experience it as well if ever na makapunta kayo dito. And siya nga pala, hindi po ako travel vlog, no. Hindi talaga ako travel vlog. I cannot answer some of the question about how much you this, how much is that. Parang ganun. Gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo yung experience. So, yun po yung ginagawa ko. It's a experience vlog. It's a memory vlog. Parang ganun. So, sinasama ko kayo sa mga pinupuntahan namin kasi one day, kayo din ang makakapunta sa lugar na pinupuntahan namin. And kailangan nyo lang yan i-manifest, kailangan nyo lang isipin na one day makakapunta ako dyan, makakapunta kayo. So, hindi ko rin naman ini-expect na makakapunta rin ako sa iba't ibang lugar. So, thank you sa blessing, thank you kay Papa Dave kasi dinadala niya ako sa mga iba't ibang lugar, even though some places that he want to go is ano talaga, unique. Unique yung mga gustong puntahan nito ni Papa Dip. But overall, it's all good. Ano pa ba? Ano pa ba yung i-share ko sa inyo dito sa Almaty? And by the way pala mga kalalabs, pupunta pala kayo dito kung Philippine passport kayo. It's a free visa, but if you will stay longer, I think may bayad yon. So if you're just coming here for 1 week, ganyan, free visa siya. And I saw a lot of videos ng ating mga kababayan na content creator. They're making a video on how to get here. So, i-share ko na lang din sa inyo yung mga napanood ko. So, from Manila to Kuala Lumpur to Sakastan, Almaty. So, yun yung ginagawa nila. So, ayun, pwede kayong mag-DIY, do it yourself, is cheaper. You can do your thing. But then, if you have extra money, you don't want to stress about your travel to come here in Kazakhstan, Almaty, then you can, book it sa agency, sa mga tour guide or something like that. So, pwede naman yon kung ayaw nyong ma-stress at meron naman kayong extra budget. So, ayun lang. Kasi kami, we always do it yourself. Kasi, it's easy. You can search on internet what to do, something like that. But if you want to learn more about the countries, then maybe you need some tour guide to explain it to all of you. So, yun lang. Yun lang yung, kung gusto nyong ma-learn about doon, dito sa countries sa kung saan kayo pupunta. And, yeah. So, overall, our experience here in Kazakhstan, Almaty is positive. We got to experience food, especially yung traditional food nila. Restaurant is all good. You will find a lot of restaurant here. Kung gusto niyo ng fine dining, regular restaurant, or budget restaurant, you will find everywhere. And nature. I love park, so yung mga dinadaanan namin park is really beautiful. If you love walking, as what I said, then Almaty is good for, it's a walkable city siya. So, for us kasi, we do walk a lot. So, yun, si Papa Dave, lalo na si Papa Dave, he love walk. Walk, 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 walk. Kung merong mananalo ng yung pahabaan ng lakad siya na yung panalo. Kakaloka siya. 2 hours, 3 hours. But anyway, yun na po yung vlog natin here in Almaty. And I hope you enjoy this vlog. I really, really tried my best to share some stuff to all of you. So, sana na-enjoy nyo po yung vlog natin dito. So, we are going to the next destination sa susunod na araw. I think I will have a rest on vlogging tomorrow. Kasi kung ano yung gagawin namin, tomorrow will be the same today. So, yeah. So, yun. Yung mga exciting part lang naman ng vlog natin is yung day 1 and day 2. So, day 3 tomorrow. And day off muna tayo. And we will see you po sa Tashkent. So, punta na tayo sa ibang lugar ulit. Alam niyo yun. talon-talon na lang kami ni Papa Dib. Bahay namin, airport. So, yeah. Salamat po again sa panonood. So, mag-good night na po ako. I love you all. Stay safe and always be kind. Bye-bye!